In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default search engine to Google in the Microsoft Edge browser. It's a simple process that will take no more than just a few minutes. If you're using Microsoft Edge but prefer the search results from Google, then follow along and we'll get you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to open the Microsoft Edge browser. This is the foundation for all our steps, so once that's open, we'll continue. Now, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 dots. This icon represents More Options and is your gateway to making changes in Edge. Give those 3 dots a click. After you click on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu appears. You're going to want to click on Settings, which is located towards the bottom of this menu. Once in Settings, there's a list of options on the left-hand side of the screen. You need to find and click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section handles all things related to how your Edge browser interacts with the Internet. Now, scroll down slightly until you see an option called Search and Connected Experiences, and click on it. This sounds complex, but really, it's just about what search experience you want when you use Edge. Getting closer to the goal now, look for Address Bar and Search, and select that option. This part not only affects what search engine you use in the address bar, but also applies to searches initiated from it. Here's where you make the magic happen. Under the setting that says Search Engine Used in the Address Bar, there's a drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see several search engine options appear. Choose Google from this list and you've taken a big step toward personalization. But wait, there's one more quick setting to tweak to make sure everything runs smoothly. Just below where we were, there's an option that lets you choose whether new tabs show the search box or the address bar. Change this setting to Address Bar, and this ensures that any new tabs opened will use Google automatically. And that's it. You've successfully turned Microsoft Edge into a Google-powered search machine. The change takes effect immediately, so there's no need for a restart. Whenever you type directly into the address bar or a new tab, your searches will go through Google. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial was helpful and made your browsing experience more enjoyable. Remember, explore the other settings in Edge if you want to customize further. And as always, feel free to ask questions if you stumble across any challenges. Have a great day navigating the web.